Good morning, fifth graders. Sorry I can't be here with you today, but I made this video for you, so hopefully it will explain what you need to do. Obviously, you found the video. Also in your folder is a copy of Google Slides. Every person is going to have their own Google Slides, and you're going to make an ugly sweater. We're going to work on this today, and we're going to work on it again on Wednesday if we need to. I'm not sure how much time it's going to take you. Remember that you can click on slideshow, or sometimes it says present up there. I usually see the word present. I don't know why it says slideshow, but if you click on that, it just shows you each slide big. And then as you click through it, you can either use your arrow key or click to go through it. The first slide is just showing you different ways that you can copy and paste. Basically, to make your ugly sweater, you're going to do a lot of copying and pasting. So the way I like to do it is I have a mouse attached to my computer, so I use the right click. A lot of you don't have that. So what you can do is do, I don't know if you can see this over on the side or not, Control C, Control V, Control X. Control C copies, Control V as in victory, pastes, and then Control X cuts. And I think some people have done things with double tapping with your Chromebooks. So if I click now, it's going to go to the next slide. And this is just giving me the steps for how to build your ugly sweater. So slide 1, sweater base, and then 2 patterns and your shape and your story. So you're going to copy and paste between slides, and remember to resize it. You're going to drag the corners. Okay, don't drag the middle or the side. You're going to drag the corners. So right now I'm in the present mode, and to change anything on my sweater, I have got to escape this. So press your escape key, and now everything's small. And now you can toggle between the different slides. So the first thing you've got to do is you've got to choose the ugly sweater base that you want to use. And I'm going to choose this one right here. So remember, you can right click on it, or you can do Control C. Okay, so I'm going to copy, and then I'm going to go back to the previous slide and I'm going to paste it. Okay, and I'm going to make mine big. I'm giving myself a big canvas to work with. And you know what? I have to press undo because I did not do that right. I'm going to drag it by the corner. Okay, because otherwise, if you don't do that, it gets to be really strange looking. Okay, I guess it's okay if you want to adjust it a little bit and make it a little bit taller or shorter. In this case, other things are going to be a little bit distorted if you do that. So that's your first step. Okay, the next thing you're going to do is you're going to go on to the next slide, and so you're going to pick a pattern, and which side you choose from depends on how you feel about different things. For this slide, it's choose from this slide if you like to wear sweaters, choose from this slide if you don't like to wear sweaters. I do like to wear sweaters, and since this is an ugly Christmas sweater, I'm going to choose the green one. Again, you could choose whichever color you want. Again, Control C or right click. If you didn't want green, you could just click on another one. Okay, I'm picking the green. I'm going to copy it. I'm going to go back to that third slide and I'm going to paste it. Now remember when we were making our Google Slides the first time, how sometimes things were too big? Again, grab it by the corner and make it small. And I'm going to put a stripe here. And then I really like this stripe. I'm going to do another stripe just like it. I'm going to right click on it, or I'm going to copy it again. I'm going to copy this one in particular because it's the right size. And then I'm going to paste. And see, it just creates, oh dear, I got to undo that. It just creates another one on top of the first one, and then you can drag it to where you want. Okay, so you can put as many stripes on there as you like. You could make them smaller, put them on the sleeves. Then you go to the next slide. The next slide is a picture or a design. This side is if you don't like to wrap gifts. This side is if you do like to wrap gifts. I do like to wrap gifts. So I'm going to click the bells. I'm going to copy them, and I'm going to paste them onto my sweater. I think I'm going to put them on the elbows or on the side over here. So I'm going to click paste, and remember it's going to be huge. So I'm going to just make it a little smaller, and I'm going to drag it there. I think it looks like there's more than one bell there, doesn't it? But And then again, if you want it to be that size, you can copy it here, and then it'll be the same size, and click paste again. And now I have another one over here for the other side. Okay, next slide. Shapes. Okay, so now it's your favorite color, red or orange, yellow or green, blue or purple. I like red. I'm going to go with this design right here. And I'm going to go back again to that slide 3. And I'm going to put it right in the middle here. Okay, again, you can make it smaller, make it bigger, make multiple versions of it. Make it as ugly as you can. The next slide, another option. Okay, so if you like snow a little, you'd like snow a lot, or you don't like snow at all, you're going to choose a shape from that slide. Last choice, okay, how do you feel about making cookies? Do you like to make cookies, not make cookies? Or this one, choose from this if you like to eat cookies. Okay, I like to make them and I like to eat them, so I would probably choose one from each one. All right, when you get all done, type up a short story about the ugly sweater you created. Okay, when you're all done, you're going to share it. You might have a turn in button. If you have a turn in button, try that. For me, I'm going to share it, and then you have to type the person's name above the line, and then you'll get an option to send. I have no idea who these people are. I know they just kind of popped up. Maybe it's the person who used this ugly sweater glyph before me. So have some fun with it. I'm thinking maybe you might be able to get it done today, but if not, maybe Wednesday, and we can decide if we want to share them or not. I think we'll leave that up to you. So have some fun with it, and then if you get done early, you can work on Type to Learn Lesson 10. Have a great day. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.